In the conservatory, in the summer, this may get a bit hot. We do have a fan that you can use. In order to operate the fan, you need to make sure that it first has power, and the power switch is located here, just to the right of the doors. Please ensure this is turned on, as so, and then on the fan you have two cords. The lower cord is the light, which you can see there's a light symbol. You just pull on that and it'll activate the light. Put it again to turn it off. Please make sure it is off after finished. And then to use the fan, you just put on this cord. So you pull on it once, activate the fastest setting, and then you can lower the fan speed by pulling it again. This will slow it down. Put it again for the third lowest setting, and then pull it for a fourth time to turn it off. And you can tell it's off because you'll hear that the motor is turned off. This will eventually stop. That's how to use the fan in the conservatory. Thank you.